There is no way this is possible, but Australian birds are literally starting forest fires on purpose. These firehawks swoop down, grab burning sticks from existing fires, and carry them miles away to start new blazes. Why this pyromaniac behavior? Pure hunting strategy. When they drop these flaming branches in unburned areas, panicked insects and small animals flee the flames, right into the waiting talons of these clever predators. It's one of the only documented cases of non-human animals deliberately using fire as a tool. Nature's most unexpected arsonists, with a scorched earth hunting technique that's as brilliant as it is terrifying.